Good afternoon. So I traded once today. Yesterday, my 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 buying power wasn't in, so I wasn't able to trade. But today it came. I had like $500 buying power. Today wasn't too swell, wasn't too good. I made like some mistakes in there. So I traded one ticker, the biggest percent win, not biggest, but the big percent winner for today, which is MDGS. Um, yeah, they the catalyst was that they were approved for Amazon's like a shopping center in 5 different countries. So that's big news, and market reaction is positive. But I traded from pre-market to the open. It was choppy. That's all I can say about it. It was choppy. So my biggest I went down to like $10 and then came back up to like 76 cents, to losing 76, came back up to losing 76 cents on one trade. And then I continued trading and made that 76 cents into like $2 and I change in like two trades. So yeah, it was choppy. So here's my screen. So as you can see here, it was up. And then we look at the previous, yeah, the 180-day chart. I traded this stock a couple of times. It's a former runner, pre-market runners, and then um the trading hours are crapper. But just based on this pre-market run, crap, pre-market run, crap, pre-market run, crap, and then crap, pre-market run, crap. That's basically its history. Pre-market run, crap, pre-market run, crap. So it's a gap in crap. Pre-market run, crap. So many gap in crap really. Pre-market run, crap, pre-market run, a bit more run, and then crapping. So it has a terrible history. As you can see, I traded. It was coming down from D60, right, to like the $2 area. When I entered my first entry here, it was the first screen of like I don't think it was the first screen, but it was looking well. My risk was 292. I entered deal one. Should have entered lower instead of entered deal one. Should have waited and see how it goes. Can it crap even more? And it did. And I exited 289. I re-entered at 298. This time my risk was a little bit bigger, 288, and I got out. Oh yeah, the reason why I exited 289 here was because it was a flush and pretty much, yeah, spirit or whatever it is. I basically sold at 2 cents less than I wanted to, so it happened. Could have gotten out faster. And then here I was chopped. I re-enter at 299, wanted for it to make it to VWAP. It only moved up to 304, and then I got another chop. And this time I entered lower because entry closest to the $3 was choppy. It's a good thing too because if I enter at 299 again, I would have been chopped here. So I entered 293. I didn't get chopped. The problem I entered at 293 was it was a good entry, but my exit was terrible because I didn't sell to strength. It hit it hit the VWAP and then it fake out. I should have gotten out here. Instead, I held for the open. And what happened? I got chopped. And then it spiked all the way up to 330. So I got chopped. Pretty much, yeah. I pretty much got chopped. And what happened was I re-enter again. This time, as it was coming up, I entered DHA. And once again, it went to 338. I should have gone out. Instead, I held and I got chopped on this panic. And recognizing that's a panic, I re-enter lower. My risk, 10 cents, right? This time I enter with like these two times I enter with 30 shares. And then was the trade that basically made up all of my losses. All of my losses, really. I entered DO8, so basically DO9. It never came back down, which is good. And it just moved up and it did a quick squeeze to D40. And my first exit of 10 shares was at D45. And then my second was D40. So pretty much a 10%. And then I moved to D50 and I decided to add to my final 10. So basically 20 shares again. And it fails. This time my risk is D40. So I got out. My average was 329. And it came down to 321 and then moved back up to 350. But the thing is, it's not good to enter here. Why? Because as you can see, this strong resistance at 360. 367 breakout will be a good buy. Right? But it has to be gradual, not like this one. So that's what happened. It came, it hit 340, I got out. I re-entered at 328, risking here, 316, right? The bad part about my entry here is that it was downtrending. And that's what happened. I got chopped. It would have been better to enter up here at 326 up here. Because this two green candle, say it never made two green candles down here. These three green candles show sign of reversing, right? The trend reversing. And then this is why, yeah. So basically, I got I missed this whole move. I should have traded this move instead of this move. And I traded this move, and these two basically made my losses down to $3. So I lost. It went from like a bunch of trades that made me lose $10 to one like a one trade that basically erased everything, and then basically make my losses bigger. Really, the only regret was this trade. This was good profits. This was like a 20 cent. This was like 30-cent move, right? This whole thing, it was a 30-cent move. It was good profits. I should have just take it instead of letting it chop me out. So that's what happened. And then This move was just, ugh. This stock was, it's, it's choppy. It's choppy. Even with good news, it's choppy. It has history of gapping crap. Congrats to shorts who shorted 399 here. Congrats. So congrats to did buyers here. Yeah. ABC. It's an ABCD. A, right? B, C, and then D. Higher lows. And the thing here is that pretty much, yeah, it held 290. 290 was previous support. It held 290. And that's what happened. Shorts squeeze all the way up to um let's see 394, and then gradual down, and then again it moved a cup and handle looking chart. Just that the handle wasn't going up. It basically just dipped. And this right here, it's pump looking. Gradual move up, and then just a dump. It's a very pumpish looking chart right here, because somebody needs there to be liquidity to dump all their shares, and this is what happened. They basically dumped all their shares in 2 minutes. It went from 399 all the way to 326. So that is a 73 cents loss. So it's a pump and dump right here. And it's also a reason why you shouldn't chase. Because you chase and you and you don't have like good risk reward and don't have good risk, thinking that it's it's gonna break out $4, and then um yeah, with no risk, this is what happened. Losing, you get dumped on. Let the breakout happen, and then just react to it. If it break out of $4, that's potential run, potential higher move. $4 psychological resistance right there. So, and then for the rest of the day, it's basically just been trading at like sideways, like $2-3. So overall, my losses $3.19 wasn't so bad, just that choppy. Yeah, it was choppy. My entries were way too high from the key level. I so what I need is to have my entries closer to the key level. Let's see. Yeah, my big mistake was not taking my profits here. The good part about this trade is that these trades is that I took my losses, I cut my losses. I just need to cut it faster here. And yeah, and so this is what happened. Maybe I should start like with a lower share size, and then add only if add only if my risk hold. So yeah, this is my trading for today. Just one trade. Uh, not one trade, one ticker. MDGS. A couple of trades on here, paper cuts, but need to be more disciplined.